AI Data Engineer, the data engineering company in a box, 45 autonomous AI agents, 50+ connectors, human in the loop end to end. This is your sales and solutions overview. Data engineering is broken. Every team building pipelines by hand runs into the same four walls. First, months not days. A single source-to-warehouse pipeline takes 6 to 12 weeks of manual design, coding, and QA. Second, scarce and expensive talent. Senior data engineers cost over $150,000 a year and take months to hire and ramp up. Third, fragile migrations. Legacy and mainframe modernization projects fail silently with no rollback or audit trail. And fourth, zero visibility. Spend, lineage, and quality live in spreadsheets, so nobody can answer where a number actually came from. There has to be a better way to build, run, and govern data pipelines. Meet your AI data engineering team. 45 specialized agents collaborate end-to-end, and you stay in control at every gate. The pipeline runs through 7 stages. Discover your sources, architect the lakehouse, build the SQL in Python, test it against quality gates, and then, critically, you approve it. Every architecture change, every transformation, every migration step pauses for a human sign-off before it ships. Only then does the platform deploy to production and begin monitoring, self-healing, and optimizing automatically. One orchestrator, 45 agents, 0 surprises in production. It starts with secure multi-tenant access. Every customer gets their own isolated workspace with role-based permissions for engineers, approvers, and administrators, ready for white-label branding from day one. The moment you log in, you see everything that matters. Active projects, agent activity, pipeline health, and recent approvals, all on one command center dashboard. Connecting a new source takes minutes, not weeks. Pick from 50+ connectors, relational databases, cloud warehouses, SaaS APIs, streaming systems, even mainframe file formats, and the platform handles credentials, schema discovery, and profiling automatically. Scoping a new project is conversational. Describe your goal in plain language, and the platform estimates effort, timeline, and the right agents for the job, turning a multi-day scoping exercise into a 5-minute conversation. From there, watch your pipeline build itself. The orchestrator walks through analysis, discovery, profiling, mapping, architecture, transformation, and code generation. Each stage handled by a specialist agent in real time with full transparency into what's happening and why. And whenever an agent proposes something with real impact, a new architecture, a schema change, a production deployment, the platform stops and asks. You see the recommendation, the reasoning, and the blast radius, and you decide, approve, comment, or send it back for reanalysis. Nothing impactful ships without a human saying yes. Once everything is approved, the project completes with a full package: architecture diagrams, generated code, test results, and documentation, ready to hand to any engineer on your team. Execution is one click away. Trigger the pipeline, watch each stage run, and get immediate feedback if anything needs attention. Once live, every pipeline is continuously monitored. Throughput, latency, error rates, and data quality scores, with automatic alerts the moment something drifts outside the normal range. Every table, column, and metric is automatically cataloged, with lineage, ownership, and a searchable business glossary, so any analyst can find trusted data without filing a ticket. And because cloud spend is part of engineering now, built-in FinOps tracks current spend, forecasts next month's bill, and surfaces concrete savings recommendations. 16% of spend reclaimable is a typical finding. Need something custom? Just ask. The AI Copilot answers natural language questions about pipeline design, generates SQL and Python on demand, and can trigger the right specialist agent directly from the conversation. Behind the scenes, the Lakehouse Architect agent designs your bronze, silver, and gold layers automatically, choosing table formats, partitioning, and compaction strategy for Delta Lake, Iceberg, or Hudi based on your actual workload. The data modeling agent generates star schemas, dimensional models, and DBT-ready transformations, complete with tests and documentation, in a fraction of the time a manual modeling exercise would take. For legacy modernization, dedicated agents read COBOL, JCL, and vSAM file definitions and translate them into modern, cloud-native pipelines, with reconciliation built in, so you can prove the new system matches the old one before you cut over. And you don't have to start from a blank page. The template marketplace ships with pre-built patterns for change data capture, streaming ingestion, and SAW S-Sync. Install one and customize it in minutes. Usage is metered transparently from real LLM token consumption, with clear plan limits and overage pricing, so finance always knows exactly what they're paying for. And administrators get full control: tenant management, white label branding, user roles, and platform-wide settings, all from a single admin console. So why are teams switching? Legacy ETL tools move data. AI data engineer runs the whole engineering lifecycle. Autonomous agents, human approval gates, mainframe migration, built-in FinOps, white label multi-tenancy, and a natural language copilot, capabilities that Informatica, Talend, Airbyte, and DBT simply don't offer together in one platform. One platform replaces the ETL tool, the catalog, the FinOps dashboard, and half your backlog. Plans scale with you, metered on real usage. Starter at $99 a month is built for small teams piloting AI-driven ETL. Professional at $499 a month is our most popular plan, built for growing data teams running daily pipelines with multi-level approval workflows and priority support. And Enterprise at $2,499 a month brings white label branding and a dedicated success team to platform teams operating at scale. Ship your next pipeline in days, not months. 45 AI, agents, 50+ connectors, and human approval at every step. Start a free trial or book a live demo today and see what your data team can do when 45 specialists are working for you around the clock.